Hi, this is Mark from Brownworks, and I got these two packages in today, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. This is just going to be a real quick unboxing. I got two packages here today, and I'm excited. I believe I know what these are. These are some revolvers, I believe. So let's open them up, take a quick look at them, and let's first open this up. Just move the one package out of the way. And yes, we have a package here. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so let's open this one up first. This is the Armscor, the Island M200 38 special revolver. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, the standard packaging, bicycle lock, manual in the top. We get our spent shell casings, which I don't think anybody really needs these anymore nowadays, and their inspection that they did. Oh, brand new, still in the bag, sealed up in the bag. Now one thing, let me get a paper towel here. Yeah, one thing with all that I've noticed, all the Rock Islands, when they come to you, if you get them brand new out of the bags, there's so much oil on here. You can see how oily this thing is. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if there's any other specs on here. I believe this is the, I think this is approximately about a 4-inch barrel on here. Oh, it is tight. 2, 6 in the cylinder. Okay. Let's see, she's all empty. Very nice, very smooth. And one thing is these are plastic grips. So the reason I've gotten these is I've gotten a ton of requests to make some custom grips for these revolvers. So we're going to see what we're going to do. We're going to lay these out, take the grips off, get the specs of them. And this is going to be a project in the near future that we're going to work on. So let's go ahead and put this back in here. All right. So this is the M200. Let's open up this box. There's a pull tab here. Open this up. I don't know why they put this into such a big box here. That's all that was in there. Okay. So this is the M206 revolver, the 38 special. And one thing with the other one, it only came with one set of grips. This one comes with the 2 sets of grips. Similar set of grips, these plastic ones. And some wood grips on here. The same manual up there. Bicycle lock down there. Right, let's pull this out. Yep, nice and oily. Wipe off some of the oil. There we go. So I believe this is like the, I think this is like the 2-inch barrel. A lot smaller. The grips are a little bit smaller, but you can change them out. And like I said, we're getting requests to actually do some custom wood grips. So we're going to, again, get measurements of all the different sizes. We're going to get some requests of what people are really wanting. Because sometimes these grips are a little bit small. Getting a lot of requests, well, can we extend it down a little bit? We're going to take all that into consideration. Very smooth. All right. So these are the 2 different Rock Islands. They're basically about the same pistol. One just has a longer barrel. We're going to also see if there's any other differences in them once we get them apart. But there we have it. The M200 and the M206 Rock Island revolvers from Armscor. So if you want to stay informed of when we actually start making grips, please subscribe. Also, if you want to get on a mailing list to get notified when we actually go to release these grips, you can go to our website, and there's an option on the website of listed requested grips, and you can put your email address there, and we'll send out emails when these grips become available. So I thank you for watching, and bye for now.